remember the future tense, we will do an exercise. Okay? Future. Future tense. To remember that, we will do a small exercise for practice. Future tense. Put the verbs, put the verbs into, put the verbs into the correct future tense. Future tense form. That's what we are going to do now. Put the verbs into the correct future tense form. Okay? Look carefully at the sentence I am writing. Tim. Tim earned dash a lot of money. A lot of money. The next sentence. Ria travel around the world. Priya meet lots of interesting people. Everybody adore you. Tina not have any problems. Many people save dash you. They anticipate dash your wishes. But all these things happen only. If you marry me, in 2 days, in 2 days, I know dash my results. And finally, the 10th one, we never know. We never know dash what happened to her. What happened to her? What we are going to do is, we have here with us verbs in brackets. Now, keeping in mind the future tense form, we are going to write it down. Tim dash a lot of money. So, that will be Tim will earn a lot of money. Tim will earn. Tim will earn future. Okay. Tim will earn a lot of money. Raja, what about Ria? Ria will travel around the world. Will. Ria will travel. Will travel around the world. Priya. Priya will meet lots of people. Priya will meet lots of interesting people. Everybody will adore you. Very good. Everybody will adore. Everybody will adore you. Next, Tina, not have any problem. Tina will not have. Tina will not have any problems. Tina will not have any problems. And then, many people, that's you. Many people will save you. Many people will save you. Then, they anticipate dash your wishes. They will anticipate your wishes. But all these things, dash, if you marry me, all these things will happen. All these things will happen. Only. All these things will happen only if you marry me. In 2 days, I complete. Very good. Will know in 2 days' time. In 2 days, I will know. In 2 days, I will know my results. We dash what's happened to her. We will never know. We will never know. We will never know what happened to her. We are looking at the future tense form and we change the verb in the bracket to make the future tense form. Tim will earn a lot of money. Riya will travel around the world. Priya will meet lots of interesting people. Everybody will adore you. Tina will not have any problems. Many people will save you. They will anticipate your wishes. But all these things will happen only if you marry me. In 2 days, I will know my results. Finally, we will never know what happened to her. So we learned to change the form. From the verb what is given, we put the verbs into the correct future tense form. And that's what we have done now.